The Three Orbits.
John Glenn was an astronaut. He used to be a skilled military pilot. He had multiple trainers and went through multiple stages of training. He learned what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, such as the rocket was delayed 10 times. 20% of the delays were because of stormy weather and 80% was because of messed up parts. There were 22 delays between the first delay and the last delay. NASA needed a lot of workers and a lot of working vehicles to fix the rocket. John Glenn needed many supplies while being in space and landing. A few of them are benzylamine, hydrochloride, morphine, PK2 RAF, shark chaser, survival rations, and a first aid kit. He had many more supplies.
Date, February 20th, 1962. NASA had done their final checks and the count started at T-minus 390 minutes. The spacecraft was put into place at T-minus 90 minutes. During installation, a bolt was broken and the hatch had to be removed to remove the bolt. That caused a 40-minute hold on the clock at approximately T-minus 35 minutes. Filling off the liquid oxygen tanks began and final spacecraft and launch vehicle systems checks were started. Liftoff occurred at T+4 seconds at 9:47 a.m. at Cape Canaveral, Florida. John Glenn orbited the Earth 3 times. Each orbit was 90 minutes. He faced many dangers during the orbits. On orbit 1, a yaw altitude jet clocked. On orbit 2, the sensor issued a heat shield warning. In orbit 3, fuel became very low.